Listening to your music is easier than ever before using our one-button Wi-Fi connection and the exclusive GGMM app. E3's embedded Wi-Fi audio streaming capability lets you access and enjoy streaming cloud music from Pandora, iHeartRadio, TuneIn, Tidal, and Spotify. You can also personalize 6 presets to your favorite cloud music sources, and then access the 6 presets with a simple touch of a button. And even when you turn off your device, E3 can still play the cloud music in the playlist. We've also created the ability to connect multiple E3 speakers to the same Wi-Fi connection for left and right capabilities, making an amazing surround sound movie or listening experience for your home in seconds. But not only can you create left and right sound capabilities, the E3 speaker has the ability to do multi-room functionality. This means you can take a cluster of E3 speakers and put them in various rooms around your house for the loudest party on the block. E3 supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and auxiliary modes, and each one is simple to connect. The multifunctionality of E3 allows you to use the speaker as a clock and as an alarm, and can charge your mobile device using the USB port in the back. The compact size of E3 allows you to place the speaker wherever you want. One of our biggest concerns when developing E3 was making sure the device was compact but still able to do a lot of everyday things without compromising sound quality. E3 will amaze you with powerful hi-fi sound with 2 2.5-inch full-frequency speakers that match a 3-inch bass strengthening radiator. All this power guarantees an incredible sound performance. As you can see, there are so many reasons E3 is the perfect speaker for you. Please share our campaign with your friends and family so we can bring the GGMM E3 speaker to homes everywhere.